Have you ever wondered where the heart of Southern racing truly beats? It's not always under the lights of NASCAR's biggest tracks. Sometimes it's on a 410-mile oval tucked away in a small North Carolina town. This is Southern National Motorsports Park, and it's one of the best-kept secrets in American motorsports. Whether you're a die-hard race fan or just discovering short track racing, you'll want to stick around for this one. This isn't just a track, it's a proving ground. It's where local legends are born and future stars are made. In this video, we're diving into what makes Southern National so special. We'll talk history, racing drama, community spirit, and unforgettable moments. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get into it. Southern National Motorsports Park is located in Lucama, North Carolina. It opened in 1993 and quickly became a regional favorite among racers and fans alike. The track itself is a smooth paved oval, just under half a mile in length. It may not sound like much, but the tight corners and long straights make for incredible racing. You get side-by-side battles, last-lap drama, and the kind of intensity that's missing from larger tracks. Unlike cookie-cutter speedways, this track has character. It rewards skill, patience, and daring moves. And because it's a local track, the racing feels personal. You'll see everything from late-model stocks to bandoleros and legends cars. It's grassroots motorsport at its finest, and every weekend it draws racers from all across the Southeast. One of the most amazing things about Southern National is the community around it. People don't just come to watch races, they come to be part of something. From kids waving checkered flags to families grilling out in the parking lot, it's a full experience. The pit area is always buzzing with teams working, laughing, and supporting each other. Drivers shake hands with fans. Track officials know racers by name. There's a closeness that's rare in modern motorsports. If you've ever missed the human side of racing, you'll find it here. The grandstands are packed with stories, veterans, newcomers, and people who've been coming for decades. It's loud, it's real, and it's full of heart. That's what makes the track more than just asphalt. It makes it family. Over the years, Southern National has had some unforgettable highs. Big names like Denny Hamlin and Bubba Wallace raced here early in their careers. They cut their teeth on this short track before moving up the ladder, and many say the intensity of racing here shaped them. There have been photo finishes, wild wrecks, and last-to-first comebacks. The annual Thanksgiving Classic is a huge event that draws national attention. It's the kind of race where up-and-comers can turn heads in front of scouts, and sometimes veteran drivers come back just for the thrill. When the sun sets and the lights come on, the whole place glows with energy. Every turn becomes a test of guts and timing. These are the nights that people talk about for years, but it hasn't always been easy for Southern National. In the mid-2000s, the track faced financial struggles and had to shut down. For a few years, the future looked uncertain. Local fans feared they were losing a piece of their culture, but in 2011, the track was revived under new management. That comeback wasn't just about business, it was about passion. It took investment, vision, and belief from the racing community. Slowly, the grandstands began to fill again. Racers returned. The track came back stronger than ever. And now, it's a symbol of what determination can achieve. What really sets Southern National apart is its balance of challenge and charm. The surface is fast, but the corners demand precision. You can't just mash the gas and hope for the best. Racers need throttle control, timing, and a great setup. It's a track that teaches lessons and then punishes mistakes. But that's why drivers love it. It pushes them to improve every lap. Plus, the facility is well maintained with great visibility for fans. You're never far from the action. And you can feel every engine rev, every tire squeal, right in your chest. That intimacy makes the racing feel 10 times more alive. Ask any local racer and they'll tell you, Southern National is a driver's track. You don't win here with luck. You win with precision and heart. Veterans love the respect the track gives to clean, competitive racing. Newcomers learn quickly that there's no room for error, but the track also gives opportunities. You don't need $1 million sponsor to compete. You just need the right setup, a good crew, and the will to go fast. For many racers, this track is their first taste of real glory. And even those who go on to bigger leagues often say, this is where it started. That says a lot about the kind of racing Southern National produces. So what do fans usually ask about Southern National? Is it just for locals? Not at all. People travel from hours away to attend races. Can kids come? Absolutely. It's a family-friendly venue with food, games, and great seats. Is it affordable? Compared to big league events, tickets here are a bargain. Are the races worth it? Every race is unpredictable, intense, and action-packed. Do they only run stock cars? Nope. You'll see multiple classes from late models to mini stocks. Is it clean and safe? The facilities are top-notch and well cared for. Can I meet the drivers? Yes. After the race, drivers often come out to talk, sign hats, or take selfies. Is parking easy? Definitely. There's plenty of space and good flow. Is it loud? Oh yeah, bring ear protection and feel the thunder. If you've got more questions, drop them in the comments. The future of Southern National Motorsports Park looks bright. More events are being added to the schedule each year. There's talk of expanding facilities and attracting even larger racing series. The team behind the track is passionate and focused on growth. They're investing in youth racing programs and fan engagement. Sim racing events and streaming are also bringing in a younger audience. It's evolving while staying true to its roots. And that's rare in a world where motorsports often feel corporate. Southern National stays authentic. As long as people love racing, this track will keep roaring, and it might just produce the next NASCAR superstar. So if you're a fan of real racing, the kind with grit, noise, and heart, you've got to visit Southern National. It's more than a track, it's a story, a culture, and a legacy in motion, and every lap tells part of that story. Next time you're in North Carolina, make a detour to Lucama, grab a seat in the stands, feel the engines shake your bones, and cheer with the locals. You'll leave with memories, maybe a signed program, and a new appreciation for grassroots racing. Thanks for watching this deep dive into Southern National Motorsports Park. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more motorsports features, and share with a fellow racing fan. Comment below. Have you been to SNMP? What's your favorite short track in America? Until next time, keep it fast and keep it loud.